start video, click the start video button. Then okay, then Rishin is there. Rishin, video, turn on your video. Rishin, video on. Okay, Jaydeep, video, please. And then Rituraj is there. I can see Rituraj. Yeah, I can see him. Fine, he's there. Neelav is there.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Please mute your voice audio and turn on your videos. Especially Jaydeep is not turned it yet. Jaydeep, please turn it on. Okay, Jaydeep is turning it on. Fine. Now we can start. Jeshu, rules page.
Wait,
Jeshu, the rules page.
wait for a minute.
Okay, fine. All right. So you can read the rules as well as you can hear me. Fine. So all questions are on pounds. So you know pound. What is pounds? If anybody don't know, please give it on chat. No, yes, anything.
Please you explain it.
Okay, till then I'm discussing all the other details. If anybody don't know, please tell me. Then okay, for pounds,
Excuse
you
me,
will be.
Piyush Dada.
Yeah.
Piyush Dada. Dada, actually,
Yes, I can hear you. Tell, please.
is not okay.
You are not. You don't know what's pounds or anything else. Okay,
No, I was telling that I got disconnected twice now because the weather outside
Piyush
my
Dada,
house
I
is not
can't hear
okay.
you.
So can you please repeat what you said?
Oh yeah, sure. I can repeat it. Joydeep, you can't hear me. How is it possible? Everybody can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Piyush Dada,
Okay,
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear Joydeep.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please turn on your video. Okay, we are not
Yeah.
interested to see the Kung Fu Panda. Okay, so being serious.
Can you
okay,
see me?
Wait
No.
a minute. No. Start video. Click on the start video button.
Yeah, I click, but can you see me?
No, you are not. You're just the logo is coming. That panda one. Panda. This might be due to the net. Okay. All right. So. Okay. Who's giving this? Neela, please turn on your video again. Okay. Jaydeep, you are visible now. It's dark background. Neela, video.
Yeah, wait.
Fine. Till then, I'm telling all the rules. You know what's pounds, so you have to hear how you will pounds. That's the question, right? So you will be allotted a individual number, alphabet, letter, okay, like A, B, C, D. So we have allotted you that according to the scores you have bagged in prelims. So that is not an issue to talk out here because I guess it is according to your prelims, so it will not be creating any problem. Okay. And then, for example, if the first question is to team A, so that is team A is like, for example, team A is Sid. Okay, Siddharth. So if the group A is Siddharth, then Siddharth, what you need to do, I will ask you the question. It will be visible on screen. You can read it, you can listen to me, no issue. So others except Siddharth will DM me privately. Like on Zoom, you will chat with me.
Excuse me, Piyush Dada.
Yeah.
Dada,
Yeah.
can you please repeat? I again got disconnected. Disconnected.
Okay. So
So sorry, but I can't help it. It's
I
raining
understand.
outside.
I understand. Okay, no issue. So, okay. For example, I will be allotting a letter to all of you. For example, A, B, C, D till 8. Team 8, that is till H. Now, after that, for example, if I ask a question to Siddharth, that is A. then all the others will message me, message Maharnav. Maharnav Kashyap is there. You will have to message him personally, privately. Make sure to do it private, or else your scores are like to be your answers are to be revealed to everyone. All right, DM message it personally to Maharnav. He will give you the scores if it's correct. And for I'm asking the question to for example Siddharth, the first team. So the first question first to Siddharth. I will tell Siddharth to answer the question, and he will have to answer it. Then we'll move to the next question, and in the similar manner we'll continue it till the end of the quiz. Okay, all questions on pounds. Any
So
doubt?
excuse
please?
me. Excuse me,
Yeah.
Bhaiya.
Bolo.
I'll be answering it on the chat, or I'll unmute myself and speak up the answer.
Yeah. The direct questions, you will have to unmute yourself and speak to me directly. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Pounds will be for 10 seconds. Just wave it first. First, you have to wave it. Then you will be allowed to write the answer. First wave it, or else the time will go and you will be writing. Okay. So we can start with the quiz. So I'm allotting the letters.
Pujada, wait. When you will means with the hands, then you have to then personally text the answer to Maharna Dada, right?
Right. Yes. Fine.
Okay.
Everybody clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now mute yourself. Riduraj, mute yourself. And I will request Jeshu to mute everybody except for me and Maharnav and Jeshu himself. Fine.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, please, Siddharth.
What? Plus, first Siddharth, you can speak. After that,
Piyush
Jagdeep
Dada.
say. Yeah.
No, I have a doubt.
Excuse me, Piyush Dada.
Okay.
Can you give me 2 minutes? I'll rejoin the.
Okay. Yes. Rejoin it. Okay. Yeah. And Jaideep, what were you telling?
Please wait for 2 minutes.
Fine. No issue. We are there. And Jaideep, what were you telling? Jaideep, you had doubts.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah. Just now I'm able to hear you. So please, can you repeat the rules? Gist of the rules, please.
Okay. So till Siddharth joins, we can use that time. Fine. You will be allotted letters. For example, A, B, C, D, till the total number of participants.
Okay.
And then, if I will ask
Yeah.
anybody, like for example, I will ask Rituraj. He's like, for
Okay.
example, A, team A. Then it will be on direct. You will have to wait for 1 minute till we read all the answers on pounds. That the pounds answers you need to. That means, like, for example, when I ask Rituraj, the rest of the students, you are allowed to pounds. That is, you need to message the answers privately to Maharnav Kashyap. Okay, and please make sure to make it privately. Now. Okay. So, Jaideep, where I was, like, for example, all the others will give their answers on pounds. For example, you need to chat it with Maharnav. You give the answers to Maharnav. First, you need to wave your hands. Okay, like wave your hand. Wave option is there. More. You go to more. The wave option is there. Thumbs up option is there. And click any one, and then start writing. Or else you will be writing and the answers will be missed. Okay.
Hello.
So after that, the direct question would be, for example, to Rituraj, and then you need. What happened to me now?
Excuse me. Can you repeat it again? I got disconnected.
Network issues.
Yeah.
I'm audible, right? Rishin, please call on my Jio number. Don't call it here because the net is getting disconnected. If you call me on this idea number, call to that number in which I called you yesterday. Okay. Now, then all the rest of the participants who were not on to whom I made the direct question, you need to tell me, unmute yourself and tell me. Okay, Jaideep, I guess you are clear.
Excuse me.
And Siddharth, I guess you are too clear. So I'm disclosing the letters. Okay.
Yes.
And
Pujada,
wait.
yes.
Pujada, The
Yeah.
wave option is not coming actually. Where it is?
You
In
see on
reactions.
more.
More option.
See,
Not coming
the
actually.
mute button is there, stop video is there, share is there, then participants, then more. Okay.
No. Actually, I have there mute, stop video, participant, chat, share screen, record reactions.
Chat, raise hand. Raise hand is there.
Rea-
Raise
reactions,
hands.
reactions.
Reactions. There are
Raise
thumbs
hand.
up, clap,
Yeah,
and
thumbs up.
That only.
thumbs up.
That one
Achha,
only.
Okay.
Okay, no issue. You can give any. Okay. So
Okay.
Rishin is calling me. So wait a minute. You can talk among yourself. I will respond to Rishin once, and then we can start. Fine. Till then, please, Jishu, you can share, make other arrangements. 1 minute. Okay, Rishin, tell something high or anything. Okay, you are not audible. Fine. Have you joined the audio call via that device? Okay, you give your answer to direct message. No issue. Fine. Okay, we are starting the quiz. Uh,
Can you see me?
wait. Please don't disturb. Let us start now. It would be late then, or else. Yes, I can see you. Your net is slow, but all right. So we are starting the quiz. Give us a wave, and we are going to start. When a wave sign, thumbs up, anything. Okay. Thank you. So we are going to start. I guess everything is audible. Any
Okay,
problem?
I am going to the
Call
next
me
slide.
direct. Yeah.
Yes,
Any problem?
yes.
Call me directly. Okay.
First question coming up.
Fine. Yeah, first question is coming up. So, Jeshu, first
A
question.
letter.
Oh, letter. I'm sorry for that. Okay, letter. Number. So A is Siddharth. A is Siddharth. B is Raman. C is Tarpan. Sure. Okay. D is Kritartha. E is Jaideep. F is Rishin. G is Rituraj. H is Nilav. Okay. Okay. So I'm repeating it once. A is Siddharth. B is Raman. C is Tarpan. D is Kritartha. E is Jaideep. F is Rishin. G is Rituraj. And H is Nilav. Okay. Fine. Mute yourself, turn on your videos, and get ready for the quiz. Jaideep, we are not getting your video now again.
Okay, now I am going to the next slide. Let us start the quiz.
Now
Yeah,
can
no more
you?
delay.
Please, Judha, now
Yes.
can you?
Let me check. The problem is too much with this network issue. Yeah, it would come. No issue. It will come. Now,
Okay, I am going to the first slide and first question.
29 messages.
Have you shown the question? Cause I can't see it.
He is doing it. Wait.
Okay, Piyush, I am going to the first question.
Yeah, sure.
First question coming up.
Okay. Okay.
So have you
So
started showing the questions? I can't see.
yes, we have started. Ensure that you have a strong internet and a strong good net. Jaideep, is it visible? If it's not visible, listen to me carefully then. Okay. Maharnav,
Yeah.
ensure that Pounce is open, I guess. From the first word I speak till the time I say that Pounce is closed. Or Maharnav says so. Okay. So the
One
first
doubt.
question
One
is,
doubt. Hello, hello.
yeah.
Is there any negative marking in pounds?
Okay, pounds negative marking. We have pounds plus 10 and minus 5. Okay. Plus 10
Okay.
minus 5 pounds on pounds, and direct you will get 10. Okay.
Okay.
Same marks. All
Okay.
same. Just for pounds you have negative marking minus 5. Okay.
Okay.
Manav,
Yusudha,
I'm
please
sorry, it's
read out
minus
the
5,
question.
huh? Okay, I'm reading it. Minus 5 plus 10 on pounds. Open for all. So the question is to Siddharth, letter A. Okay. So the question is, in 2002, there was a massive increase in the sales of the scarves of football club Bradford City. Okay. In 2002, there was a massive increase in the sales of the scarves of the football club Bradford City. Why so? Why was it so? Open on pounds. Siddharth, unmute yourself. And when I say to answer, you can answer me. Okay. Anybody needs hints?
Question.
Excuse me, am I audible?
Yes, Mahanav, you are audible.
Am I
Any
audible?
hints?
I got disconnected.
Okay.
I got disconnected.
Yeah, yeah.
Repeat the question? Repeat the
Siddharth, okay, I'm
question.
reading it once again. Okay, I'm reading it once again. Okay. In 2002, question first. Open on pounds. In 2002, there was massive increase in the sales of the scarves of the football club Bradford City. Why was it so? In 2002, there was a massive increase
Can
in
I
the sales.
answer it? Can I answer
Any
it?
hints? Hints.
Okay, 1 minute. In the scarves of the
Can
football
I
club Bradford
answer
City.
it?
Why so? Why so? Siddharth, not
Hints.
now. I will tell you. I will tell you
Yeah.
to
Any
answer.
hints? Any
Can I
hints?
answer
Yeah,
it?
for
This is Siddharth.
Siddharth, you
This is
can
Siddharth.
answer it a bit later. I will tell you to answer. I will give it the time. It's for
Okay.
pounds now. Okay.
Any hints?
Yeah. Yeah, giving up hints. So it is related to something very fictional, very famous among kids, among teenagers. See the scarf. You will get hints there.
Name just the
Scarf is the biggest hint.
you just name just the children's that one means the series. Okay, that's enough, I think.
Rituraj, please don't give hints. You don't need to give hints.
No, means we to just name the series or
You
what?
can name the series. Okay, series will do. Series will do.
Hello.
Okay.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
Siddharth, you are audible. Audible. No issue. Siddharth, you are audible. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Open
Which
on
question?
Shall I say
pounds.
the answer?
Not now. 2 minutes. Okay. Open on pounds. Mahana, please tell when
I'm
the pounds
waiting
is
for your
closed.
instruction.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Mahana, please tell when the pounds is closed. Done. Okay. So Siddharth, you are ready. You are going to answer now. You can answer now, Siddharth. Siddharth, you can answer. Where is Siddharth?
Can I say the answer?
Yeah, sure. You can.
It is identical to the Harry Potter series, and means Harry used to carry it. The Harry Potter series.
It is the scarf of Harry Potter.
Yeah. It's correct. It's correct. So Mahanav, you can add the points. Okay.
How much?
Plus 10 to Siddharth.
How much points did I get?
10 plus
Okay.
10. For direct, you will get 10. Okay. I'm telling you the marking scheme. For direct questions, you will get plus 10, no negative marking. For pounds questions, you will get plus 10 and negative marking of 5 marks. Okay. Is it clear to all? You can maintain your scores. Okay. And please, okay. Next question. Siddharth, unmute mute yourself.
Someone did pounce the question.
Okay. Mahanav,
I had pounds.
okay. Ready?
I also
Now,
pounds.
question number 2 coming up. Question number 2 coming up. It's for Raman, direct question. Raman, you need to wait for some time and then I will tell you to answer. Open on pounds.
Excuse me, bhaiya. Please wait for some time on one question as I'm getting disconnected.
Okay, so again disconnected. Okay, moving to next question. Raman, for you the question is open. Not now. I will tell you to answer. You can answer then. Open on pounds. I'm reading.
Please know how many questions gone?
One question gone. One question gone. Okay. Question number is indicated in the screen. You can see that. Please don't disturb in the middle. Okay. Question number 2 coming up. Open on pounds. Background sound is coming. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Background sound is coming. Okay. Second question on the screen, and I'm going to read it. In 1935, a wealthy Romanian woman was robbed by a man she was traveling with and pushed out of a window, resulting in her death. What was this event and why did it hold so much significance due to the location? Okay, the question is in 1925, a wealthy Romanian woman was robbed by a man she was traveling with and pushed out of a window, resulting in her death. What was this event and why did it hold so much significance due to the location? Okay, so open on pounds. Maharam, please let me know when the pounds is closed and then I will ask Raman to answer. Okay.
Rishindra has raised his hand.
Tell him to answer to Maharnav.
Text your answer to Maharnav Dada.
Yeah. Maharnav, is it done? Okay, pounds is closed. Raman, please answer the question. Raman, please answer the question.
Would you give any hints?
Not for all question. If anybody asks, then. Okay, Raman, you can answer the question. Raman, you can answer the question. If you don't know, then you can pass it. Okay. Okay. Raman, I can't hear you. Did you say something? Raman, answer, please. Okay, related to World War II. Okay, Raman, I got your message, but I cannot hear your voice. Okay, related to World War II, you said, right? That is not correct. Okay, now we are moving to the answer. So the answer is, it is the real story of the murder on the Orient Express. Okay, so it is the answer of the real answer is, it is the real story of the murder of the Orient Express. Okay, so moving towards the next question, question number 3.
Excuse me, Jesu Dada. Excuse me.
Yeah, Jeshu, respond.
Excuse me. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Excuse me.
The screen is not visible. It's just showing that Jesu M. Kashyap has started screen sharing. The question is not visible.
This is because of the no net.
Is it visible to you?
Yeah, no question. Yes, it's visible to me. It's visible to me.
That means it is some network issue.
Yeah, it might be due to the network issues. Yeah. So,
Jesu,
Excuse
I
me.
had pounced in the first question and I had also given the answer to Maharnav sir. So I did not know whether you counted my points or not. This is Tarpan.
Yeah, it would be counted. Yeah, so Tarpan, it would be counted. There's no issue with that. If he receives the
Okay.
message, it will be counted. Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So we are moving towards the next question. Question number 3 coming up. Jeshu's screen slide. Next slide. Okay. So you can see the image, right? So this is RMS Carpathia. What is the significance of this
The
ship?
screen is not visible. I'm getting disconnected.
It's so very difficult with this problem because of this network issues, right? What to do?
Yes. I'm
Okay,
getting
one thing we can do
disconnected.
now.
This-
Jeshu. Okay, Jeshu. Jeshu,
Okay.
please do one thing. You please share the slides
To whom?
in the group. Only questions are there, right? So they can check there and answer us. Fine. Individual questions shall be sent to the net. Individual questions in the group. Only
Okay,
in the group. Individual questions, screenshots. Okay.
I'm sharing
the
it.
group.
Can we pounce?
Yeah, you can pounce. You can pounce. Sure. Maharnav, you start.
Can you
please,
ask
start with
Maharnav
the-
to is he recording or not?
He's recording. Yeah, it is being recorded. Pounce
Okay,
is
okay.
open, Maharnav. Maharnav sets. Individual questions shall be sent to you in the group. You can check there. Pounce is open, yeah. Pounce is open.
Did you give the third question?
Yeah, it is visible. It would just a minute, and it would be. On
I can't see the question. Can you please read?
What is the significance of this ship?
Can you
RMS
please-
Carpathia. Significance
yeah,
of this
I
ship.
got it. I got it.
Yeah. Okay. RMS Carpathia, significance. You can pounce it. And the question is direct to Tarpan. Okay. When I say you need to answer Tarpan.
Okay.
Excuse me, Priyasuda.
What is the issue, Jaideep?
We have to raise our hand before pouncing, right?
Yes, you can if you want.
Will I get my point if
Pounce open, I
I?
got disconnected. Please keep the
Wait a
pounce
minute.
open. I got disconnected.
Yeah, pounce is open. Pounce is still open. Pounce is still open.
Notification for
Priyasuda,
everyone. I have
have,
shared it in the WhatsApp group. So you can check it there also.
We can't do it. Pounce closed. Okay. So Tarpan, you can answer now.
It was the ship that came to the rescue of Titanic in 1912
Yeah,
when it sank.
it is the correct answer. Okay, plus 10 to you. Mahana, please note that score. Okay. And moving towards the next question. Jeshu screen. What happened to Jeshu now? Where is Jeshu? Jeshu is updating something in the PowerPoint, I guess. So he'll be giving a minute. Just a minute.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay. Jeshu, yeah, screen sharing, please.
Wait a minute. It got disconnected
Okay.
since you called. Okay.
Hmm.
Shall I proceed to the next question?
Okay, next question. Yeah, sure. Okay, this is the question number 4 coming up. Open on pounds.
The
is
screen is
direct
not
to-
visible.
As I read the question, it might come in that duration. Okay, so you let me know if it's not
Okay.
visible. Okay.
Please read the question.
Yeah. what came into existence on 29th April 1961 when a small group of passionate and committed individuals signed a declaration that came to be known as Morge Manifesto. Okay, I'm repeating the question. What came into existence on 29th April 1961 when a small group of passionate and committed individuals signed a declaration that came into
Has the
that
question
came to be,
appeared?
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
yeah, that came to be known as the
Please
Morge
read the question
Manifesto.
once.
I'm reading it. What came into
Please read
existence?
the question.
Yeah. What came into existence on 29th April 1961 when a small group of passionate and committed individuals signed a declaration that came to be known as the Morge's Manifesto. Morge's Manifesto. Okay. So open on pounds.
Is
Bhargav.
it Morg's Manifesto?
Yeah. It is Morge's Manifesto. Morges. Morge's. Open on pounds. Direct question to Kritartha. Please don't answer now, Kritartha. Huh?
Okay.
Actually, I got a news that Raman Bharadwaj was not able to join in the group.
So what to do now?
Someone is not letting him in, actually.
Okay, Maharnav, please ensure that Maharnav is the host, no? Siddharth.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Raman Bharadwaj is now there.
Yes, and yes, shall I answer the pounds of question number 3 or is it closed?
It is closed now. I'm sorry for that. But okay. You can answer
Excuse
from the
me,
next question.
Dada, I got disconnected. I couldn't see the question. I know the answer to this.
Okay. Just bounce it now. It's open. Still it's open.
Is done for questions open?
Question number 4 is still open. You can bounce it now.
Excuse me, Maharnab sir, please consider my answer. I got disconnected. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bounce is closed, I guess now. So I want okay, Kritartha, please answer the question. Direct question to you.
Is it about the civil rights movement in USA of blacks?
Nothing to do with that. It's wrong. Sorry. Okay. So please unmute yourself. Okay. Next question. Moving towards the next
The
question.
answer to this question?
Oh yeah, sorry for that. So the answer to this question is the World WWF. WWF, World Wildlife, that one. Okay. Okay. Now moving to this next question. WWF is the answer. So the question number 5 is coming up. So this is the direct question to Jaideep. Jaideep, okay. So Jaideep, don't answer now. I will read the question and then all will pounce and okay. Open and pounce. This was predominantly a mangrove swamp before the late 19th century, inhabited mainly by Koli fishermen. When the swamp filled in, the Kolis left and others, that is the potters from Gujarat, tanners from Tamil Nadu, and embroidery workers from Uttar Pradesh moved in. What resulted? Okay, I'm repeating the question. That is, this area was predominantly a mangrove swamp before the late 19th century, inhabited mainly by Koli fishermen. When the swamp filled in, the Kolis left and others, potters from Gujarat, tanners from Tamil Nadu, and embroidery workers from Uttar Pradesh moved in. So what resulted thus? So open on pounds. You can pounce it to Maharnav. So this is a direct question to Jaideep. Okay.
Any hints?
Hints. It's world famous actually. Foreigners come to this place just to click photos. They want poverty, you know, to click photos of poverty.
You gave a very big hint. You gave a
Yeah,
very
yeah.
big hint.
Okay, so direct question to Jaideep. Please answer, Jaideep. Jaideep, you are mute. Jaideep, I'm sorry, you are mute. Jaideep, please make it fast.
Hello.
Yeah, Jaideep, answer. Jaideep, mute. You are mute. Unmute yourself. Fast, fast, fast. Make it fast. You are mute, Jaideep. Jaideep, please, you are mute. Okay, the host, who is the host, Jeshu or Maharnav, please
Maharnav
unmute Jaideep. Okay, Maharnav, please unmute Jaideep. He's unable to unmute himself, I guess. Jaideep, what are you doing?
In the bottom there are buttons.
Yeah, Jaideep is now unmuted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pizza, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. Please tell me the answer.
Can I have a hint?
Hint, I just told a hint.
You
Okay.
gave a very big hint.
Yeah. Foreigners come from.
Can you repeat it, please?
Foreigners come from world very big places just to see this place. Okay. It's like
Yeah.
so very famous. Okay. Photographs, everything. Okay.
Okay.
No poverty. Site for poverty. Very famous. Jaideep, if you don't know, please pass it. Okay. Because it's just taking our time.
Yeah, pass.
Pass.
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to pass.
Okay. So the next, so the answer is Dharavi. Okay, Dharavi, the slum area of Mumbai, in Mumbai, is the answer. Dharavi was created. Okay, people inhabited that place, and thus it came to be known as Dharavi. Okay, so the next question coming up. The next question is for Rishin. Okay, so I'm. It is question number 6. Fine. Okay, it's a very good question. So it is open on pounce. All others are requested to pounce it. And Rishin, it's your direct question. So this 15-year-old lady, according to noted British scholar Mortimer Wheeler, found from a broken down house on the 9th lane of a historical city, has been given the name it is mostly associated with, probably because of her profession. She's seen wearing almost 24 bangles on her left arm and 4 bangles on her right arm. Who is this fashionable lady? Okay, I'm repeating it. This is a 15-year-old lady, according to a noted British scholar, Mortimer Wheeler, found from a broken down house on the 9th lane of a historical city and has been given the name it is mostly associated with, probably because of her profession. She's seen wearing almost 24 bangles, 4 bangles on her left arm and 4 bangles on her right arm. Who is this fashionable lady? Okay, so you're asked to pounce the answer. to Mahana.
Any hints? Any hints?
Okay, hints. Okay, so it's very much so the question, there is a hint in the question, that is, it's a very historical city. Okay, think North India. Profession is the biggest hint associated with the profession. This is one of my favorite questions I need to tell. The answer is hidden in the
One of the most
question
common
itself.
questions.
Yeah. Pounds closed. Okay, pounds closed. Please, Ritu, Rishin, your voice is not coming right, so you can answer me in through messaging only. Okay, please answer me through messaging with Rishin Roy. Rishin Roy, you can give the answer, Rishin Roy, through messaging.
The screen is not visible.
We have not moved to the second question. Okay, next question. So it's not
The
a
screen
matter
is
of-
blank.
It will come. It will come. Okay, Rishin got 10 points. The dancing girl Mohenjo-daro is the answer, and Rishin got it correct. Okay, so Mahana, please ensure to give him 10 points. Okay. Okay, now the answer is dancing girl of Indus Valley Civilization or Mohenjo-daro. Fine. Okay, screen is visible now, I guess. Okay, Siddharth, are you there? Siddharth is again disconnected, I guess so.
Disconnected again.
Yeah, I got to know. Okay, no issue. So we are moving
Did you
to the
give the
next
question?
Yeah, we have not gone to the question. Next question. We gave the answer. That is the dancing girl.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
I got
moving
it.
to- Yeah, sure. So the next question coming up. So it is a video. Jeshu will play it and I will tell the question. Okay.
The screen is only not visible.
Pounds is open. Okay, so what is the significance
Dada,
of this
have
video?
you played the video?
Yeah.
Please
Jeshu,
replay
please
it
play the
once.
video once again, huh?
Once again.
Yeah.
Please play it once again.
It is being played. Jeshu, once more. Last time, the final time. Okay, Pounds, it's open on Pounds. What is the significance of this video? What is so special about this video? It is why it's so special that we are asking it in a quiz.
I again got disconnected.
My God. So Jeshu, once more, final.
The screen. Can you explain something about the video?
Actually, it's okay. I'm telling you, Bulova is written. It's written.
Please don't give
Bulova.
hints.
Watch time. I'm not giving hints. Actually, I'm telling what is written on the screen. Okay, because
America
he's
runs on
unable to see
Bulova
the
time.
screen. Yeah. Jeshu, please tell it once again. See, that will be able to
America
listen.
runs on Bulova time.
Very short video. 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, it's on open. It's on open. Open on Pound. Sorry.
You can see the screen. I can't see the screen. He's just telling me what's written on the screen.
So what can we do else? The network is so poor. I can't do anything else more than that. I'm telling what is written on the video. Even sound is not there. It's a small video clip. He's playing it again. Ensure you can see it again. Watch it again, sorry. Pounce is still open. Marnav has posted it. Pounce is still open. Bulova times what's written is written on the video. There's on the screen. That is what's on the video. What is the significance of this video? The question is, what is the significance of this video? Why is it so special?
Direct to whom?
Direct to Rituraj.
Closed.
No, it's not closed till now. Mahana will give a message.
Not only seeing the screen only, it's not coming. I'm getting disconnected. Can't help it. Sorry.
Yeah, I understand.
None of us are at fault. The network is at fault now.
You see
Yeah,
it direct to some other, not some other means participant, not to me actually. That's why I pounced the answer. Hello?
Yeah, Rituraj.
Yeah, I think you've said some other participant that is the direct question. I means personally
I said
answered
Rituraj itself. I said Rituraj. It's your direct. I said
Okay.
Have
Rituraj.
you
It's your
moved on
direct.
to the next question?
Okay.
No. We are on the same question. You can pounce still. You can still pounce if you want.
No, I can't even see the video, so I can't take anything.
And please don't expect the video to end very soon. The quiz to end very soon, because we can't do anything. This network is slow. The process needs to go on.
Piyush, can you do a bit fast? Actually, my 50%
I
net
understand.
is.
I understand. What can I do now? What first I can do? Network is only it's so poor. Okay, Rituraj, please tell me the answer.
He has
Okay,
given the
Rituraj
answer.
has given.
I said
Okay, he has
answer.
given the answer. Okay. So all have given the answer, I guess so. So Rituraj, you are correct. The answer is correct. So the answer is the first
Excuse me,
commercial
Piyush da.
TV. Yeah.
No.
Can you please wait a second? I'll again rejoin.
Okay.
Please, I'm so sorry, but I'll rejoin in a minute.
Okay, no issue. You do it.
He has not left the chat. Then how can he rejoin? Okay, now he has disconnected.
Fine.
Mahanavada, please ensure you admit him.
One minute, I will come in a minute.
Okay, no issue. I guess everybody has have charge on their mobile phones. After internet, that is the biggest concern now. So I'm sorry for one thing. Okay, the answer which Rituraj gave was wrong. Okay, so the answer
Yes.
which Rituraj gave me was wrong. I'm sorry. Mahanav has managed that. Okay,
Hello. Am I audible?
Siddharth, you are there? Yeah. Yes, you are
Yeah.
audible.
So
Okay.
is the pounds
Siddharth,
open still?
sorry, I disclosed the answer, so it's
Acha,
not
acha, okay,
open
okay,
now.
okay, 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 okay. Can you say
Yeah,
the
so is
answer
that?
once again?
Yeah, the answer is the first TV commercial ad.
Acha, okay.
Okay, next question. What happened to my net now? Okay, next question, Jeshu, please. Okay, what owes its discovery to the 8.0 magnitude earthquake which took place in Nepal and parts of Bihar in 1934? It was credited to William A. Archer, a British colonial officer. That's the hint. It was credited to William G. Archer, a British colonial officer. And the question is, what was its discovery to the 8.0 magnitude earthquake, which took place in Nepal and parts of Bihar in 1934? The mark the date 1934, 8.0 magnitude earthquake. And the biggest clue here is itself in the question, William G. Archer, a British colonial officer. Okay, Pounce is open. Mahanav might be accepting the answers. Yes, he is accepting the answers.
Kishida, it would be better if someone pounces and his answer is correct. You would tell that also. It would be better.
Uh-huh.
If someone pounces the answer and let them know that their answer is correct or not, you say 10 points to whom?
Actually, it's not possible for me now because the answer is being given to Maharnav. How can I say now? Maharnav will mention that he's too particular on those things. He will do it. Maharnav, let me know if the pounce is closed. And Maharnav, it would be better if you unmute yourself, okay? I guess Jaideep Kolita is also facing some problems. Pounce is still open. You can still pounce your answers. No problem.
Excuse me, Dada.
Yeah.
When will we will you reveal the scores in between the quiz?
I will reveal.
Yeah, Maharnav will do
Okay.
that. Manage that.
I will
Okay.
reveal it.
Okay, pounce is closed. Fine. So direct question to Neelav. Neelav, unmute yourself and answer, please. Neelav, your answer.
Yeah,
Unmute
I
yourself.
think it's discovery of Northeast India.
Not. I'm sorry, it's not the answer. Correct one. Okay. So the answer is two very simple. Okay. what owes its discovery to the 8.0 magnitude earthquake? So it's a Madhubani painting. Madhubani paintings. Yeah. Okay. It's a Madhubani painting. Yeah. Okay. Now, next question, Jeshu, please. Okay. So we have come up with the next question. Question number 9, direct to. Okay, Maharnav, this should be direct to Siddharth or Nilav, anti-clockwise or clockwise again.
Clockwise again. Nilav.
Maharnav, it should be Nilav, right? Okay, this will go anti-clockwise. Question number 1 to 8, it will come clockwise, A to H, and from question number 9 to 16, it will be anti-clockwise from H to A. Okay, so the question is for Nilav, and it's still open on pounds. Nilav, please mute yourself, and then I will ask you answer. Okay, so you can pounce it. On becoming unbearable by the disrespect Prajapati Daksha did to Lord Shiva, anguished Sati immolated herself. Upon hearing of her death, Lord Shiva was deeply saddened. His rage reached to its peak and level as such as he plucked a lock from his hair, smashing it on the ground, followed by breaking it into 2 pieces, which led to the origin of someone who was supposed to take vengeance and give justice to Sati's death. Okay, who was thus originated? On becoming unbearable by disrespect Prajapati Daksha did to Lord Shiva, anguished Sati immolated herself. Upon hearing of her death, Lord Shiva was deeply saddened. His rage reached its peak level as such as he plucked a lock from his hair, smashing it on the ground, followed by breaking it into 2 pieces, which led to the origin of who is supposed to take vengeance and give justice to Sati's death. Okay, who? It was.
Can you give hint?
Hint. Okay, it's a direct question. No hints for this. Please, sorry. He's too very brave, and I guess in a couple of days you will get to see it in Star Plus again.
Brutal also.
Yeah, very brutal.
No second chance. Can't we take a second chance if one gets wrong?
No second chance now. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, this question is direct to Neelav, all right? So, Manav, let me know if France is closed. And I guess I guess you
Please
might
give a
agree
second
on
chance.
Pounce is closed. No second chance.
Okay, Pounce is closed. I'm really sorry. Okay, Neelav, please answer the question if you know the answer.
Wait, it is Veerabhadra. I think Veerabhadra.
2 correct. Okay, it's correct.
Veerabhadra.
10 points.
Veerabhadra.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so Marnav, ensure that he gets points.
10 points.
Okay, too good. Next question. Identify X and Y question. Okay. So Neelav, sorry, so not Neelav, Rituraj. Question for Rituraj. Okay. It's an X and Y question. X and Y are a pair of glove puppets popular in Lucknow and the Hindi heartlands. These puppets have a backstory. They are 2 bickering women. Y is long-suffering, hardworking wife of a man, while X is the scintillating mistress of the same man. Identify X and Y. Okay. X and Y are a pair of glove puppets popular in Lucknow and Hindi heartlands. The puppets have a backstory. They are 2 bickering women. Y is the long-suffering, hardworking wife of a man, while X is the scintillating mistress of the same man. Identify X and Y. Lucknow is the hint. You can just go to the question again. It is open on pounds. Okay.
Use the.
Yeah.
X is male or Y? X is male or female?
Both are female. Both are
Both
female.
are female.
Yeah. Why is the long-suffering, hardworking wife of a man? Okay. And X is a scintillating mistress of the same man. Identify
Please don't
X
give
and
any hint.
yeah.
Any recent hint, don't give it.
Piyush Dada.
Yeah.
If I answer the means pounds round incorrectly, I will get minus points or not.
Yes. Minus
I will get
five.
minus.
Maharnab sir said that no negatives in pounds.
Okay, no
I
negatives in
okay,
pounds,
chance.
Mahana.
okay, got it.
Okay then. Okay, fine. Mahana, thank
So
you.
no negatives.
for correcting me. No negatives.
No
Okay.
negatives.
Okay, thank you.
But no second chance.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It's like more of a current affair, huh?
Ah, you gave another one.
Yeah. You
If
answer,
the
I'm
answer is
just
disclosed, then all will be in shock.
yeah.
I guess yes.
Let me drink some water.
Stress.
Why would he be in stress? We have to be in stress.
Yeah. So I guess the network is a bit good now.
Ah, it has improved.
Hmm.
भगवान करे ऐसे ही हो भाई.
ऐसा ही रहे.
Pounds
I guess you
closed.
all are enjoying it.
Yeah.
Pounds closed.
Awesome set.
First time
Okay,
giving
thank
in
you.
Zoom quiz.
Yeah, thank you. Okay,
A
Rituraj,
real
it's your
quiz-like
direct question.
experience.
Thank you. Okay, Rituraj, it's your direct question.
No idea actually.
Okay. If you want, you can pass it. When I pass it means like, yeah, you understand, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, I wanna pass it.
Okay, no issue. So the answer is Gulabo Sitabo. Okay.
The recent movie.
Gulabo Sitabo. Yeah, recent movie. Gulabo Sitabo. X is Gulabo. Y is Sitabo. Fine. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 11. It is for
Directly
direct for Jaideep. Anything?
A total number of questions.
Total number of questions, it's 32, I
32.
guess. Yeah. Just next question, please. It's direct for Jaideep. Okay, 11.
Please, Sudha, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you,
Hello.
Jaideep. Yeah, I can hear you, Jaideep.
Can you see me?
I can't see you, but okay. Please make it sure if you can turn on the video. It is better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next question is question number 11. Because of the large scale of the movie's cost far exceeded its original and even bankrupted the mighty director producer who had great financial clout. The production even came to a halt. That was when one of his proteges, Nawab Bannu, went to his office and gave a fat bundle of the notes to the manager and said, "This is to help complete the film, but please don't tell him." The film ultimately lost by a single vote at the Oscars. Which movie? Okay, I'm repeating it. Because of the large scale of the movie's cost far exceeded its original and even bankrupted the mighty director producer who had great financial clout. The production even came to a halt. That was when one of his proteges, Nawab Bannu, went to his office and gave a fat bundle of the notes to the manager and said, "This is to help complete the film, but please don't tell him." The film ultimately lost by a single vote at the Oscars, and it is which movie?
Any hint?
No clue, please.
Oscars is the biggest hint. Okay.
No hint, please.
No hint.
Yes,
No hint, please.
no hints. Oscar is the biggest hint. Fine.
Oh, wait for a minute, please.
Fine. Open on pounds. Okay. Maharnav,
Follow.
Mahanav is there.
Yes, yes.
I have a request. After this round, can you please tell the scores of all the participants?
Okay, it will take time. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, after 2 questions then.
Now
Question
I
number-
thought of telling after question number 15.
Okay, then it's good. After 15. Okay. Somewhere asking like, so you manage it. Okay. Fine. Open on pounds. Think if you have not given the answer till now. Very good question.
Can you tell one hint? Array, I have answered.
Actually, if you want, you can read the question once more. If it's visible on your screen. Okay. Oscars is the biggest thing. Think Oscars. We'll get it.
Arnab Dada gave the answer. Please tell it's right or wrong.
Fine. Now, Mahanav, I guess the pounds is closed.
Yes, yes. Pounds closed.
Okay. It's direct to Rishin. Okay. Rishin, you need to message me privately because I know your problem. Or you can give it to everyone also. No problem.
Piyushita, is it direct to me or Rishin?
It is direct to Rishin.
Okay.
Madam, I'm correct, right?
Direct to Rishin.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Rishin
Then
gave that he is not aware of the answer. So we can move towards the next question after I tell the answer. So the answer, yeah, after I tell the answer. Yeah, sure. So the answer of question number 11 is Mother India.
Oh, yeah.
Mother India. Oscar's biggest hint, I told. So next question. After question number 15, you will get your scores. Fine. Okay. This is a tweet. This tweet is from X. Identify X and figure out the blanked out part. Okay.
Can you zoom
You
it?
can see the. Yeah, the tweet is in the side. Besides.
Can you zoom it? Zoom it, and it's not visible. I think.
Okay, zoom it, Jishu.
I don't think we can
Which is
zoom
not-
while a presentation is going on.
Okay,
then.
it's a slideshow, so please, sorry.
Who's direct question?
The direct, it is a Jaideep.
Jaideep.
Pounds is open.
Yeah, it's open.
Pounds?
It's open. Pounds
Yeah,
open.
got
open.
it.
Actually, the pounds is open from the moment I speak the question.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Actually, someone was to join with us. He's a very good quizzer. He's doing medical, but actually I forgot to send him the link. So I've sent him now. If he gets time, he will join. Pounds is close, I guess. Mahanav.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yes, now closed.
Okay. Fine. So the direct question is to Jaideep. Jaideep, please respond.
Dada, I answered.
Hello.
Arnab Dada, I answered it.
Hello. Piyushita, can I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Please say
person is Barack Obama, I guess.
that. Okay. Yes. Next.
And the blank I forgot.
Okay. No issue. So Barack Obama is
5
the
points.
answer. 5 points. You will get 5 points. And X is Barack Obama. and the missed out part says part is Pratik Kuhad and golden mass, something like that. Okay, so moving towards
Cold
the
mess,
next
cold
question.
mess.
Okay, cold mess. Thank you, Siddharth. So moving towards the next question. Okay, direct to Kritartha. Okay,
I don't think
so this is the
any hints will be required.
fear can hold you prisoner. Hope you can use set you free. Okay, minimalist poster for which Indian movie? I guess Indian movie, no? No, it's not an Indian movie. Okay,
Hollywood.
Hollywood movie. Yeah, it's not an Indian. Minimalist poster for which movie? Hollywood movie. Direct to Kritartha.
Can I answer it now?
No, not now. Sorry. Hint. It's asking for anybody.